two numbers both prime, all of the following could be the sum of these two numbers except. So this one is kind of worded in an interesting way. Basically, every one of these numbers on the list here is the sum of two prime numbers except for one. And so you kind of have to go through each of them and figure out what two prime numbers they could be. So for example, choice A, 7 is clearly the sum. You would say, oh, it's the sum of 3 and 4, but 4 is not prime. 4 also has 2 as a factor. However, 2 and 5 are each prime numbers. Those equal 7. 11, the only two numbers that, well, we could add 6 and 5, but 6 isn't prime. We could add 7 and 4, but 4 is not prime. 8 and 3, 8's not prime. 9 and 10 are also not prime. So really this one has to be 10 and 1. But of course 1 isn't a prime number either. There's no way to get two numbers added together, two prime numbers added together that equal 11. Just to be sure that we have this right though, let's give it a smiley face for being the sort of thing that we want. 18, for example, could be 5 plus 13, both prime numbers, numbers that only have themselves and 1 as factors. 22 could be 5 and 17. And 30 could be 7 and 23. So the only one that cannot have two prime numbers as the numbers that you're adding up to get that number is choice B, 11.